Hello guys, welcome back to the LatinCyber. So guys, the best way that you can support me it is subscribing, giving like, and leaving your comment. Saying that, let's go started. So today we're gonna be showing how to create and manage OU or another name organization unit. So for create organization unit, we're gonna click in the domain name. We're gonna go new organization unit or OU. Let's call Miami. So we're gonna click on properties. We go we have managed by or SICOM. So managed by you can change or add who's gonna be the manager. So click cancel. So if you wanna delete it, for example, we say that you type the wrong name and you wanna or not the right name because you can rename it, or just you wanna delete it, and you click and delete, you won't be able to delete it. So if you want to delete it, you're gonna have to go to view and advanced features and go Miami again. So go properties and object and click here where it says protect object from accidental deletion. You click right here, apply, okay, and delete. And now you can delete it. Now it's deleted, it's gone. So let's go back to normal. Let's go advanced feature. Let's create the organization unit. We're gonna create again. We're gonna create organization unit. Gonna go new organization unit. It's called Miami. Let's create child organization units inside of Miami. Miami, we're gonna call this one. Uh, it's called desktop. Click OK. Let's create another one. There's so I just create two child organization units because let's say that Miami organization have a lot of laptop or computer or office. So and you divide in two, and it's gonna have different account domain. So and as well this way you can manage the desktop and computer independently, and you can apply different policies for each one. So we're gonna create now we're gonna create a group. We're gonna call it that group we're gonna create, it's gonna call let's see how that Latin help desk. Okay. That's dash to the one. It's right here. So guys, this group, if you work in Boston, sorry, if you work my bad, if you work in Miami, uh and you work as a herd desk, you're gonna be member of the herd desk group. If you're working if you work in computer or desk organization, you have to work as a herd desk for VL. So now we're gonna delegate the group. We're gonna give you some kind of right or power. So we're gonna add, we're gonna search uh each we're gonna use check name. So we have different names. We have a help desk group that's a user, and her desk and that's zero minus 01, which is the group. We click in the name. We to add. We click OK. We click OK. Just here to confirm that is the right name, and we click next. So here is the power that the delegation that the group member gonna have. So we can say they're gonna have create and delete and manage a user account. Yes, that's what we want. So as well, reset user password and for password change in the next login code. That's when you create a user. And we all user information. No, that's a violator on the right. So create and delete and manage this group. Yes. And modify the memberships of the group. So and we are still having a lot of manage the group policy link. So it's up to you, I would say, or depending on the organization, what delegation they want to apply to the group. And right here, say create a custom task delegation. It's like here you create a task and the gonna run for you. Even user can create. So saying that, let's click next. Finish. Um. So now we have a computer and desktop. We wanna create another organization unit. We wanna call the organization unit. We wanna call now users. Okay. So we have three different organization units. We have computers, uh, desktop, and user. So guys, that here, that's a container. It's not the organization. That user here is a container. It's different for organization units. So just remember that. And remember, this help desk group is just for Miami. It's not for users or computer. It's just for if you work as a help desk, you will be able to. You're gonna be in the group. So if we now we want to see or make sure that we apply the right delegations or permissions to the different units. If we will go here to Miami, we'll go properties. So it doesn't show anything. So we're gonna have to do the same way like we did for deleting. So we're gonna go view, we're gonna go to advanced feature, we're gonna click in Miami. So and we're gonna go right click in properties, go to security tab, which is the one, and here, so we can see everyone. We have here the group as well. If we click in the group, I can make it a little bigger so we can see special permission. If you can see, we have special permission. If you want to see exactly what these permission are, so we're gonna click advance. Um, just let me make it bigger. Okay, now yes. So here we can see everything that we have delegated. So we delegate to the objects group, create and delete group objects, create and delete user objects. They have allow full control for control. So that's what we delegate for help desk group. So domain full control. Says in the domain and LatinCyber have the full control. Um, let's see. Account operator. Yes. Can operators LatinCyber. You can go a little bit down to see admin, full controller. So I would say that the account operator, that's gonna be the default delegation. So we didn't do that one. So the only one we did was all had to be with help desk. -1, which is the number 2, 3, 4, 5, which is so, and then account delegations. So account operator. So that's a default. I believe from here, from that one here to the bottom, or had to be the default delegation. So another feature that we have is the restore as a default. So let's see that you come as this environment, so you don't know who have delegations, and you don't have time to go through all the information, and you want to reset everything again. So just you click here, restore as a default. You just pay attention to those three here, to the four. It's gonna undo it what we did. Let's just click here. Like you see, all the delegation that we have created and some of the defaults as well is gone. So now we're gonna close this. So from the command prompt, we can actually let's CMD. CMD. I'm gonna tie let me close one. We're gonna tie yes A C B flat C. Okay, this is gonna show you all different commands that we can run. So for example, we have here, let me go a little forward. You can see that show the different command that we can run and the command prompt. Example here, this is delete, security information, change security information, and change ownership permissions and objects. Entire user here, that one. You can see. So those commands that we actually can run it, and the terminal. We're gonna do the same thing. So guys, remember that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, leave in your comment. Remember to subscribe, and see you to the next video.